Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Khadija Munir and this is Computer Application 2. This course is for BS Chemistry 4th semester and today is our lecture number 6. Our topic is paragraph and editing. What is paragraph? A paragraph is a collection of words and sentences. Formatting a paragraph usually entails changing its shape. In paragraph group, all the commands are related to the paragraph formatting. You can apply bullets, numbers, multi-level lists, indents, alignments, line spacing, shading, border, paragraph direction, and sorting. You don't need to select text to format a paragraph. Just make the insertion point in the paragraph you want to format. However, if you want to format several paragraphs at once, select them all before you apply a command. Bullets. A bullet is a key point, each preceded by a symbol for emphasis. Look at the picture. Here you see there are many types of bullets are available. You can select any bullet style which you want to insert in your document. How you apply bullet in your text? Click on the arrow, click on the pop-up arrow here and then click on none. There are many options: none, filled rounded bullet, hollow rounded bullet, star bullet, arrow bullet, check mark bullet, and you can select any one of them which you want to insert. Numbering. Numbering is a list of key points, each preceded by a letter, digit or Roman for emphasis. You see in picture there are many styles available in numbering. You can select any numbering style which you want to insert in your document. Write text in points, use numbering. You have different styles of numbering, select any. Multi-level list. Start a multi-level list. Write heading with subheading list in points, use multi-level list. You have different styles of numbering, select any style. Align. Align text. It's easy to apply alignment to text with your insertion point in the paragraph you want to change. Click one of the alignment button in the paragraph group or home tab. For example, click on home tab, then click on paragraph. In paragraph selection, left set the current paragraph's alignment, its default alignment position. You have 4 choices when it comes to alignment, aligning your document, that's left, center, right and justify. Let's discuss one by one. Left alignment. Shortcut key for that is Ctrl+L. Aligns the line in the paragraph flush on the left side and dragged on the right side. Left alignment is standard for letters, reports and many business documents. As you see here in that paragraph, here all the lines starting point is same, having no space, and on the right side here you can see the lines are not equally ended because it is left aligned, and all empty spaces shown on the right side. Center alignment. The shortcut key for that is Ctrl+E. Centers each line in the paragraph, leaving both left and right margin rigged. You see over here are all the lines having empty spaces, and here also, because it is centered paragraph. This setting is appropriate for heading and sorting chunks of text as in invitations and advertisements. Avoid using center text for long paragraphs since it's hard for readers' eyes to track from the end of one line to the beginning of the next when the left margin is uneven. Right. Aligns the line in paragraph flush on the right side and drags on the left. This unusual alignment most often used for setting captions or quotations apart from main text. Justified. Control plus J. Add space between letters and words so both the left and the right side of the paragraph are straight and flush with the margin. Justify margin give text a more formal look suitable for textbooks or scholarly documents. If your justified text looks odd because big gaps appear between the letters or words, try avoiding long line, that is putting more character per line. You can do this by extending the margin Alt plus P M or by changing the size of your font Alt plus H Fs. Indent. You have two types of indents, increase or decrease. It is used to increase or decrease indent in paragraph. One of the most common reasons for indenting a paragraph is to set off quoted text from the rest of the document. Usually, you move the paragraph's left edge is about half inch from the left margin. Word makes it easy to indent text to this way. Use the increase indent button on the ribbon or the shortcut Alt plus H AI if you want to change your mind and want to remove the indent. Use the companion command decrease indent Alt plus H AO. To open the paragraph dialog box, to the indent and spacing tab Alt plus HPG and you see the indentation tool in the middle of the tab. Sort. Sort is a term used to describe the process of organizing data in a particular order trying for information. Sorting is a method of sorting data in numeric order or alphabetical order, that is A to Z or Z to A. There are two types of sorting, ascending order and descending order. Sort data from A to Z or smallest to largest. It is in increasing order. Descending order, sort data from Z to A or largest to smallest, and it is arrange data in decreasing order. Line spacing. It is another important feature in MS Word and paragraph setting is line spacing. In paragraph group on the right of the paragraph, line spacing tool is present. Use this control to set the distance between lines within the paragraph. You can also add or remove spaces between before and after paragraph. You have 3 present and 3 custom settings. Single, 1.5 line, double, at least, exactly, and multiple. These are different styles of line spacing. Single keeps the line close together with a minimum amount of space between. Single spacing is usually easy to read. It saves paper. 1.5 lines give your text a little more breathing room and still offer a nice professional look. Double is option preferred by teachers and editors. It is so helpful comments for their comments. At least is a good option if you have a mix of font sizes or include inline graphics with your text. This option ensures that everything fits exactly. Put you in control, type or a number in a box. That word would not mess with that setting. Multiple is a add ball of bunch. Think of multiple as a percentage of a single line space. 1 equal to 100% and 8 equal to 80% and 1.2 equal to 120% and so. And you see over here in the picture, this show different line spacing and line spacing option, and you can add and remove spacing before and after. Then another option is shading and border. What is shading? Color the background behind the selected text or paragraph is called shading. And border, apply border to your text. And what is border? A frame that surrounds picture or a text. Apply border to your text. You see in the picture there are many colors available for shading to your paragraph, and also there are many styles for border. You can select any type of border style which you want to insert in your document. Styles. We can have different styles in text. Text styles are as described. You can select your style: normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title, subtitle, emphasizes, strong, or change styles, set color and font, etc. Editing. In editing, we can find text in document, replace text in document, go to page number, heading and select text or object in documents. These are options we can perform in editing section. Find. Find text in document. Shortcut key for find is Ctrl plus F. Replace. Replace text in document. Shortcut key for that is Ctrl plus H. Select text or object in the document. Look at here in MS Word document. This is a paragraph with the heading paragraph. I just put insertion point in the beginning of the paragraph and then apply different options which we have discussed today. First we put alignments, apply alignments on that paragraph. And these are alignments, left alignment, this is center, this is right, and this is justify. I just click on left alignment and you see here, observe very precisely, here are the lines, starting point is same, and on the right side here empty space is shown to you. This shows, and here this portion is highlighted, and this shows that at that moment our paragraph alignment is left alignment. When I click on center alignment, you see here empty space is shown, also here the lines starting and end points is not equal. When I click on right alignment, on right side are the lines end with equal on the same point, but on the left side there is an empty space. Now I click on justify option to justify all the lines in equal. Now you observe all the lines starting with same position and also end on the same point. So here these 4 options of alignment. Then another option is bullets. Suppose I want to apply bullets, I have to select my points and click on that, and bullets is inserted with my paragraphs. I want to change the bullet position shape. Here is a pop-up option. I just click on that and I have various options over here. I just put mouse on that and you see changes in your paragraph. I just select this and you see it is applied on the paragraph. And I don't want to insert bullets in the paragraph, just apply undo and back to the original position. Now there is a numbering. I just select the points and click on that, and you see here the numbering is inserted. I want to change style of numbering. I just click on the drop down menu and then I select any style and it is applied to my document. There are various styles. You can select which you want to insert. Okay. Then we have multi-level nesting. You see over here, it's a nested list of bullets, heading, their subheading and their points, and then heading, subheading and this points. It's like that. You can apply it by bullets or numbering which you want to insert in your doc. Okay, now indentation. We have 2 indentation, increase and decrease. It increases and I want to decrease indentation. Click on that. Now we have text direction. By default in MS Word is in English, so at that moment its left direction is selected, and if I want its direction change to right, I click on that. Now I write, its direction is changed. So I just click on left direction. Okay, now then another option is sorting. I just select the text on which I want to apply sorting and then click on sort. Dialog box will open and then I have to select over here ascending or descending. Click on ascending and then click on OK. You see here my data is arranged in ascending order B, M and N. Now I want to sort it in descending order. Just click on sort and click over here descending and OK. And data is sorted in descending order. Now we have another option which is line spacing. I just select my paragraph and click on pop menu, and at that moment you see it is 1.0 line spacing is selected, and you also observe the distance between lines is minimum. Again click on drop down menu and select 1.15. You observe little bit distance is increased between the lines. Now I click on 1.5, it increases the distance between lines. Now 2, it increases 2.5, 3, and you can observe now the distance of the line has been increased. And we have two more options, add space between paragraph and add space after paragraph. Now we have a shading option. I can click on that to change the background color of the paragraph. I can select any color which I want to select as a shading effect in my paragraph. And if I don't want any shading, then I just click on again and click on no color and it will be removed. Then I have a border option. Here I have many options. My paragraph is in framed option border. And I don't want to apply border, then again click on no border and it is removed. I hope you have understood all the options of paragraph group in home tab, right? Then we have other options, styles. You can observe changes on your selected paragraph. So with help of styles you can apply any style to your document, right? And then you have another group of options available here is editing, find, replace and select. I just click on find and new dialog box will pop up in front of me. Here I just write any word which I want to search. Suppose I want to search sort, and then click on find next. You see here it highlights sort in the paragraph, and I click on find next. It shows here. Then I click on next. It shows. And finish. So So you see, it is very helpful finding any word text in your document for review, editing, or any purpose. Now I want to replace any word which I want to change. Sort is present and here sort. Suppose I want to remove this sort with ABC. Okay, it's for just explaining you. And click on replace. You see, it replaced sort with ABC. And if I click on replace all, it replaces all the sort with ABC. See in paragraph ABC, 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 and look at here. Okay. And this way it works. Thank you very much.